Welcome to the Bal Govindam Learning app. Hello, children. So, today work is of your new English workbook handwriting. So, come on, let's start. So, the today alphabet is H. Okay, this is the letter H. In phonic, we will pronounce H as h. Okay, hen. So, this is the picture of hen. Okay, so first you have to do practice in the tracing line. So put the pencil on the blue line, okay. Take upward, turn the line and straight and like this, okay. It's complete H. H says H, okay. So first you all have to complete this tracing line first. So look, we have completed this line of tracing. H says H, hen, okay. So we have completed this line. Now come to this line. Now you have to do practice of H. So first you have to put the dot in a slant pattern, in first in second blue line and other in red line, okay. The point should be in the slant way, okay, like this. So put the dot first in your workbook. So you have to put the dot like this in the whole line, okay. Then you have to start the practice of H. H says her, hen, hat, okay. So first put the pencil on the second blue line, take upward like to the red line, then little turn and come straight to the blue line like this. Again take upward and give the shape like an okay. Upward, down, then again upward to the blue line, then come down and little outward. It's complete H. H says her, okay. Straight, upward, to the red line, turn, make the line straight to the blue line, then upward and make the line little curve in between blue line and take outside. It's complete H, okay. Turn like this straight up till blue line, then take the pencil to the upward blue line and make the curve down to the blue line and out, okay. It's complete H. H says ha. Look properly and do it, and please speak and write while writing. H. H says H. H says H. H says her. Hat. Hen. So you have to write H as her, this whole page. Okay, look how I am writing. Take the pencil upward, down, then upward till blue line, down to the blue line and outside. It's complete H. H says her. Okay, H says her. H says her. Hen. H says her. Hen. Hat. Look, we have completed this page writing H. Okay, so you have to write this page of H of this pattern. This is the page number 17. Next come to the page 18. This is also the revision of H. You have to complete this page also. Okay, first give the point in a slant pattern. Okay, and writing H like this, you have to complete this page also. Okay, so you have to complete this page also. So children, today work is your 2 page of H, page number 17 and page number 18. Okay, so please do this work by the help of your parent. Thank you.